Welcome back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. Today's video is going to be crustless pizza. This will be a cheese crust for those carb conscious out there. Also comes with a life hack. Let's go ahead and get started.
As far as the toppings, you're only limited by your imagination. You can start from scratch, put these together, but I'll tell you another option is to hit your local salad bar, or even I like to go to Golden Corral. They've got a better meat selection for the low carb. When you're making the choices, you've got a lot of options you can use.
When you come home, you can throw this together and literally it's a matter of minutes and this cook is done. The summer garden is winding down, but I get some of those from out in the garden. Get that skillet preheated throughout and spread around. I want it evenly heated. I believe cast iron is critical when cooking this. Cast iron does a better job of spreading that heat around. Little insider trick, use coffee filters if you ever need to wipe your skillet down, because coffee filters do not leave behind any fuzz or filaments or threads. Now that I've got that pan pretty hot, starting to smoke, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and let that heat even out through the whole cast iron skillet. Just for a couple of minutes. It's easier to add heat than it is to take it away. I put the cheddar down first, then the mozzarella. Spread that around evenly, not too thick, basically enough till you can't see the skillet anymore. The pan that you'll see in this video is one of my favorites. It's nothing fancy, but it's one of the slickest pans that I've got. And in case you've missed it in my other videos, I like spicy. Even throw some habanero on there. This is optional. I use Rouse sauce. It's only got 4 grams per half cup, and I'm probably putting maybe a quarter cup in, so it's not much. Maybe not even a quarter cup. Just enough to add the flavor. Right in there, you can start to see that cheese stiffen up and not quite so jelly-like. That means that crust is forming. I think we've got that crust right about where I want it. And this, I believe, is a critical step. So for this last part, I actually do pretty unique. I want to get the heat out of that pan as quick as I can. So I've got another pan that's the perfect size. When I'm done with the cook, it's almost like I want to set the cheese and at least stop it from making that crust any further than I want it. So I lower that pan down into the other pan that's full of cold water, and it draws the heat out from that cast iron skillet really fast. That sets the cheese, stops the burn, and I think it makes it slide out of the pan much easier. So that cook is happening right now, much longer, and it's gonna start burning. You've gotta get the heat out of that skillet. So I've got this second pan of water. It's perfect for the size of my skillet. Drawing that heat out, stopping that cheese from burning, as well as setting the pizza, getting it ready to come out of the skillet. Now we've got that heat out. We don't have to worry about it burning any longer. And it just separates away from the pan. All finished. Sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan on. You have an absolutely amazing low-carb pizza. You can roll this up as well and dip it in some more sauce if you want. Now listen to that. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but that's a crust. And when you're on low carb, that tastes incredible. So YouTube says that this video is perfect for your viewing habits. And this video is my latest upload. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.